Before you create your woven bowl, you're going to want to take a paper and you want to play around with different ways you can fold up, cut out and fold up a piece of paper to create a paper form. And it's easier to do this with this piece of paper here than it is to play around with this, because once you cut, that's it. And so you can make a bunch of these and not worry about them. One reason why people make paper models or paper templates in ceramics is so that you can make a slab constructed vessel. And so this was a paper template, paper shape, piece of paper that was folded into 8 sections. And then I played around with different ways that this form would go. And then I took a flat piece of clay, I rolled it out, and this shape became the paper shape became this clay form. And once you have a really good paper model that you like, you can make a whole bunch of pieces from that one paper model. So that's what we're learning about now. So you've seen pictures of all these pieces and from the paper models. Here's an example of a paper model that was cut out, and then this is folded up. This is the same shape, it's just a little longer. I didn't cut up as much of the paper. Some of these I decided not to cut the paper at all. I just cut lines in, or didn't cut any shapes out, just cut lines in and then folded up to create a shape. This here, I traced a circle, I cut the lines in here and then created a form from this. Here's one paper model that's cut and folded, and this was also it turned into a paper bowl. So what I want to work with right here is this model, this template that was printed out, and then I've kind of altered it. So if I just use the paper model as it was, it would have short sides, and I think I want something that's a little, that the side is a little longer. So what I've done here is cut out some of these parts here, and I'm gonna cut out the rest of this right here. I traced a line right here. I'm gonna cut here, and I'm gonna cut here like this. And I'm gonna fold this up, fold this up, fold this up here. And the good thing about this paper is that it's very sturdy. So I can play around with different ways that this can take a shape here or take a nice form. And because I worked out ideas from my paper model, I can create something that I really like. So as you can see, I've made a whole bunch of these. I really enjoy this weaving process. It doesn't take a long time, really, and once you get going, it's pretty fun to make all these patterns. So make at least 2, and enjoy yourselves, have fun, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you make.